Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel. Tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa'yo. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate na Pisces, better luck next time po. Okay, this is general read, so just take how it's resonate. So, tingnan natin. Para po sa mga Pisces na makaka-resonate, stay connected po tayo. Thank you po in advance. Okay, so let's see. Maari pong ikaw or taong connected sa'yo or taong nasa environment mo. Okay, Pisces, tingnan natin. Anong ganap kay Pisces? Anong ganap kay Pisces? Meron kang 6 of fire, 3 of water, and the strength card. Meron gustong makipag-partnership dito sa'yo. Meron ka ditong victory. We will clarify each card, Pisces. Ika-clarify natin isa-isa. Strength card, I think you are more motivated, more stronger, energetic mo. Parang ang taas. With the 8 card, with the 8 number, 3 of water, meron kang 6, 3, 8. Okay. So, we'll see. Anong ang bottom of the deck? Meron kang the high priestess. Oh, lakas ng intuition mo, friend. Lakas ng kutob mo. Kung ano man yung kutob mo, follow your kutob. Sundin mo ang kutob mo. So, tingnan natin kung anong 6 of fire sa'yo, Pisces. 6 of fire. Victory card yan, accomplishment. Meron kang victory dito. Tapos, meron gustong makipag-partnership dito with the 3 of water, 3 of cups yun Celebration, reconciliation, community. People are celebrating you, or maybe you are celebrating something or someone. Clarify the 6 of fire for my Pisces. The Hermit card, okay. The Queen of Swords. The Empress, hell no. And the 6 of Wands ulit. Victory card. Meron ka ditong victory. Kung ano man yung mga decision making mo or ano man yung pinaplano mo, ang outcome nun is magiging victorious ka pa rin. Okay, either way. Pisces, kung may mga binabalak ang may mga pinaplano ka dito in a very strategic way, ang ginagamit mo dito is like mind, all about the mind. A very smart mover. Ang Queen of Swords is like based on experience. Naghahanap ka dito ng more knowledge and more wisdom into the situation. Okay, may mga sinesearch ka pa dito or may mga inaalam ka ba? Hindi ko alam kung strategically, technically. May mga technique ka dito may mga galawan ka dito Tsaka nagdalawa na ang victory card mo. Which can represent it's a very positive one. Kung ano man yan para sa'yo, okay? Career man yan, relationship man yan, friendship man yan, family man yan. With the Empress card, you are in control. Nasa sa'yo lahat. The ball is on your court. Pisces. Yun lang masasabi ko. Okay, ang ganda ng galawan mo dito. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko tong combo na to. Kasi pag ikinumbine mo yan talaga namang hindi mo alam kung nasaan nanggagaling yung knowledge na makukuha mo dito pero download to Okay. Leading, parang inaano ka nito. Ang tawag niyan, gina-guide ka sa path na victorious or ang magiging outcome is victory. So, you follow your intuition. Kaya pala siguro tayo merong high priestess at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Kaya sabi ko pa lang kanina, hindi pa tayo nagka-clarify. Lakas ng intuition mo. Kung ano yung kutob mo na feeling mo. Kasi ikaw naman usually talaga, I mean, ikaw naman ang magmamaneuver ng situation hindi naman sila. So, I think silip mo na dito. Meron ka ng, based on experience to with the Empress card. Hindi naman magiging Empress ang Empress kung hindi dahil sa experience niya. So, you are using your knowledge and wisdom, mga experience mo, past experience, or even though na kahit bago para sa'yo, pero you can see right through the BS. Okay, so alam mo kung ano yung mga bumps. Kabisado mo yung mga bumps and humps. Okay, Pisces. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, very victorious ang outcome. Kung ano man yan para sa'yo. Maring naganap na magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap, Pisces, pero you are very victorious because on your experience. Thank yourself. Para bagang, alam mo yung, meron ako nakitang sa wall ko na yung si Snoop Dogg. I'm gonna thank myself first of all, and I'm gonna thank myself for being, 'di ba? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Thank yourself. Be proud. Sa kung ano man ang magiging desisyon mo, ano man yung nasa isip mo, ano man yung pinag-aaralan mo, nag-aaral ka man or nagtatrabaho ka man, career man yan or family ka man, meron kang goal, it will be on your favor. Kumbaga, pabor na pabor sa iyo. It's a green light. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, pero utakan ng galawan dito. Tsaka silip mo na yung situation eh. Even though ang hermit card is like, kung sa feeling mo ngayon wala pang nangyayari, kasi meron ka pang mga inaalam or may gusto ka pang malaman, ang masasabi ko lang dito, I think you already know. Kasi with the high priestess at saka the strength guard. Okay. Sa nakikita ko dito, you know better. Okay. Dahil sa knowledge mo, dahil sa kaalaman mo, Pisces, dahil sa mga, yun ang magiging tools mo dito. Okay, basta ang outcome dito sa first row is very victorious, very positive. Okay, kung ano man yan para sa iyo, either way. Okay, kung ano man yan para sa iyo, very victory. Dalawang victory card ang nandito. At saka, at the same time, it's gonna be public. Maraming makakaalam nito na wow, paano niya nagawa yun. Magaling ang diskarte mo dito, Pisces. Yun ang nakikita ko. Ang galing ang diskarte dito. So, kung ano man yung sinasabi ng gut mo or ng intuition mo, just follow the lead. Follow the lead, Pisces. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang clarification ng Three of Water dito. Clarify the Three of Water. Three of Water. Clarify for my Pisces. The Strength card ulit. Ang lakas talaga. Ang ganda ng matayo balahibo ko. Dahil Strength card at saka Strength card ulit. So, dalawa nang kapag dalawang beses mag-repeat ang card sa isang spread, talaga naman ang lakas. Lakas ng victory mo, ang lakas ng strength dito. Pero po yung sabi ko kanina, parang motivated ka, parang wagang energy mo, like to the max. Pero ano ka lang, parang feeling ko nonchalant ka lang, pero mga ang brain mo, talaga naman nagre-rewire, parang nagka-kuryente siya. Okay, spark. Gets mo ko? Meron ka ditong motivated ka, tsaka meron ka lang iniintay dito. Ang clarification ng Three of Water is community, celebration, invitation, reconciliation. Okay, with the Strength card and the 33 may be significant. Pisces, with the Three of Wands. Three of Wands is like my waiting guard. Okay. Or you are preparing something. Meron kang prepare dito. Okay. Meron kang prepare or meron kang iniintay. Okay. Meron ka ng silip mo na eh. Alam mo na, pag mag 4 of Wands yan, it means talagang very victorious mission accomplished. Meron ka 6 of Wands, 4 of Wands, 3 of Wands. Wala pang 4 of Wands actually, pero siguro hindi pa nagte-take place kasi may kailangan ka pang intayin. Okay. You are going to be celebrated by all those people sa community mo na nakakakilala sa iyo. As I said, public eye. Okay. Yung pagka-victory mo is gonna be public, Pisces. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, tingnan natin. Tell me more. Meron kang the Page of Wands. So, naghihintay ka ng message dito or confirmation. Okay. This is the Page of Wands. Page of Wands is inspiration, okay, or idea or something. Messages can represent messages and information. Positive. This is positive information, positive news. Okay, baka ito lang hinihintay mo. Okay. Baka meron kang hinihintay dito na go signal. Pero I think, either way, mag-go signal man or whatsoever, basta sinunod mo yung intuition mo dito, it's gonna be perfect. Hindi ko naman sinabing ganun ka-perfect. Pero kasi kita mo na yung bumps at saka yung humps eh. Malayo pa lang. So, prepare ka dito sa kung ano pa man. As I said dito sa Three of Wands preparation, nakahanda ka na for a very long time. Hindi naman siya very long time pero napaghandaan mo. Okay. So, meron ka ditong hinihintay na message or something na mag-take place. It's a very positive one. Okay. Pabor na pabor sa yung universe, Pisces. So, tingnan natin. Ooh, with the Nine of Pentacles. You can pay your own. This is my independent card. Okay. So, tingnan natin dito. Meron ditong fruits of your labor. Okay. Rewards, luxury, contentment, self-sufficient, plenty, financial independence, financial stability. Meron kang message dito. Okay. Maybe bonus or what or something. Or raise. Or tataasan. Basta merong mataas dito. Okay. Merong good news dito with the Nine of Pentacles that more than enough sa ini-expect mo. Okay, more than enough sa ini-expect mo dito na makakagawa ka or magagawa mo kung anong idea meron ka. Okay, Pisces, yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung strength card. It's on your favor, Pisces. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung strength card. Clarify the strength card, please. May nag-flip. I think may nag-flip. Yeah. The Queen of Cups. Tell me more. Wala, ang energy po is walang gender. So, magbe-base po tayo sa energy, okay? So, tingnan natin kung sino yung Queen of Cups. Bahala ka po, use your own discernment. Pero ang character po ng Queen of Cups is very empathic, very compassionate. Depende po yan sa clarification. Kung negative ang clarification, which means negative po ang magiging character ng Queen of Cups natin. Pero kung positive ang outcome, positive, I mean, ang clarification ng Queen of Cups. Ang Queen of Cups is very compassion, very parang maalalahanin, magko-comfort, magno-nurture sa'yo, healing, emotional stability. Clarify more. Queen of Cups. Oh, with the Ten of Cups. Dang. Ano ba? Tell me more. Five of Wands. Okay. Ang understanding mo dito talaga namang meron kang Five of Wands. Conflicted with the Sun card. Okay. Happy ka lang. Okay. Even though na meron kang mga haka-haka kasi Pisces is very, emotional. Hindi naman sa emotional but with the Page of Swords, merong nag-i-spy dito or merong kang makakausap dito through online pero merong spying, merong kang nararamdaman may nag-i-spy sa'yo or maybe ikaw ang nag-i-spy. But I think merong spying dito, okay. And at the same time, with the Strength card, Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups, the Sun card, and the Five of Wands. Wands is a competition, debate. Minsan self-conflict, pero positive ka ba rin, bre? Alam mo yon yung tipong conflict, meron kang doubt sa sarili mo, okay? Pero normal lang yun. Lahat naman tayo eh, 'di ba? But with the Ten of Cups and the Queen of Cups, this is like emotional stability. Okay. Your wish and your goal, happy life. Happy life, happy family, happy kids. Okay. Even though na you appreciate, parang ina-appreciate mo every little things. Okay. Very thankful ka, gratitude at the same time. Para bagang, hindi ko alam kung nagpa-practice ka ng gratitude dito or nagpapasalamat ka in every little things. Okay. Kahit na merong conflict, parang sinisegue mo or para bagang tiniturn into positive mo pag nagkakaroon ka ng self-conflict or parang kung merong conflict sa situation or alam mo ang malakas ang tension ng situation, halimbawa sa isang room, pumasok ka tapos nararamdaman mo yung tension na medyo conflicted ka, na nag-iisip ka ng something, you turn it out like in a positive way. Chine-change mo yung temperature ng room. I mean, anong tawag yan? Basta binabago mo, energy mo lang itself, Pisces. Okay. Nagbabago ang mood. Binabago mo ang mood dito. Hindi ko alam kung nangyari na yan, mangyayari pa lang or kasalukuyang nangyayari, Pisces. Pero sa nakikita ko, it's very, ang lakas ng dating mo dito with the Strength card. Ang lakas ng compassion mo dito, kung sino man yung mga taong mahal mo or taong malapit sa puso mo. Talagang feel na feel nila yung pagkikare mo sa kanila, pag-aalala mo. Okay? Even though na conflicted ka sa sarili mo, pero you're putting out, like, ang binibigay mo, it's very positive. Nakaka-rejuvenate, nakaka-refresh. Okay? Okay, yung support is nandyan with the Queen of Cups and the Ten of Cups. Supportive ka emotionally, energetically, let's just say, in general. Okay. Yan ang nakikita ko dito, ang lakas. Okay. Marami kang nai-impluwensyahan dito with the Sun card. Even though nasa sarili mo is conflicted ka, but hindi ka nagpapa-apekto. Okay. Even though may mga issue personal issue, but I think itine-turn out mo siya as a very positive one kapag nakaka-encounter ka na or kung sino man ang mga tao sa environment mo or sa kung ano pa man. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Tsaka merong nag-i-spy sa'yo dito. Either way, baka ikaw nag-i-spy or nag-i-spy ka on someone. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Tingnan natin kung anong advice sa'yo, Pisces. Anong advice kay Pisces? Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda naman, Pisces. Pisces. Ang tagal niya, Brad. Mag-ano na lang kaya ako. Bunot ko na lang. Meron ka ditong the end of a tough cycle approaches. Sabi ko nga kanina, your hard work is going to be paid off. Itong 9 of many, hintay ka lang. Look at the bigger picture. I think, silip mo na with the Hermit card. My goodness. Emotions are running high. Definitely magiging excited ka dito. Okay, pag nag-take place to or maybe nag-take place na. Okay, so bottom of the deck, meron ka ditong have faith in your dreams, Pisces. Ang ganda ng reading mo. Sana akin na lang. Ang positive niya. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number sa'yo. Angel message for my Pisces, please. Angel message number for my Pisces. Meron kang 10, 8, Queen na nag-pass away na pero isa siya sa mga guardian angel mo or ancestor mo na sumakabilang buhay. So, tingnan natin. Give me one. Meron kang Joker. Okay. So, just be careful. Okay. So, as I said, intuition mo dito. Merong gumugulo dito sa'yo. Kaya siguro meron kang 5 of Wands. Merong Joker dito. So, ang Joker is low vibrational like doubtful energy. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung ano. Give me one more. Trickster ang ano eh. Trickster ang Joker eh. Meron kang king and queen, baka lolo-lola mo, or maybe kung buhay pa naman ang lolo't lola mo. Basta mga sumakabilang buhay na sila, mga ancestor mo. Divinely guided ka. 10, 9, 8. Wow. Ang ganda naman. Parang 8, 9, 10. Pero ang unang lumabas is 10, 8, 9. So, bahala ka na dyan, Pisces, kung saan ka mag-resonate. Okay. So, yun lang ang mahahain ko sa'yo, Pisces. So, thank you po. See you on the next one. Bye.